Write me an artificial intelligence essay on 2000 words. Here we go. Hey Fine Gap viewers, welcome to another video of our introduction to ChatGPT series, and in this video I'm going to teach you that what ChatGPT can be used for. So let's start. So basically ChatGPT is a large language model which is trained on large amount of data from internet. For example, Wikipedia, Twitter. Also there are many books that are used to train this, and there are many other data sources that are used to train this large language model. In the free version of ChatGPT, which is currently 3.5, only data up to November 2021 is available. If you will ask something after 2021 November, it will unable to answer you. You have to purchase their premium plan. So for example, let me ask it a question like explain quantum computing. Please ignore the spelling mistake. So now you can see that it is giving us the answer on the base of data on which it is trained. So I know that this is very complex, but the main idea was to show you that you can ask it about any information. So for example, you can also modify your prompt. The text that I will write in this message section, for example, explain it to me like I am 5. Basically, this syntax is called prompt. So basically this is our question, but in artificial intelligence we call this a prompt. Let me again press enter, and now you can see that it is explaining me the same thing in a way like I'm 5 years old. It is telling me in an easy way, so you can see that. If you are a programmer, then ChatGPT is a piece of gold for you, because you can ask this to write a piece of code. You can ask this to solve your programming problems. If you have any error, you can just copy and paste your error as a prompt and it will provide you its solution. So let me type here, write a JavaScript code to make an HTTP request. Let me press enter. So now you can see that it is also explaining me that how to generate the HTTP request, and it is also providing me the code. On the top right section you can see a button like copy code, so we can just click on this to copy this whole code. So friends, you can see that it is also telling us the way that how we can send an HTTP request using JavaScript. Obviously before that programmers were used the Stack Overflow for their problems, but nowadays in most cases ChatGPT helps us a lot. So basically I am personally a programmer and I mostly now used 80+% ChatGPT and 20% the other internet stuff like Stack Overflow, but before that I was totally dependent on Stack Overflow. So here you can see that on the left sidebar we have some topics here. Basically this is our conversational history. You can also hide this by clicking on this close sidebar. You can also click on open sidebar to display it again, and whenever you will ask question it will keep your conversational history. If you want to delete the whole history, you can just click on this and settings. Here you will see delete all chats. When you will click on this delete button, it will delete all of your chats, or if you want to simply delete a single chat, you will see 3 icons here. Just click on them and click on delete chat button, so it will delete one specific chat. In the last, obviously ChatGPT have some of limitations that it cannot provide you data after November 2021 in their free version, and obviously the information that will be provided by ChatGPT is not 100% correct. Here you can see on the bottom section that ChatGPT can make mistakes. Consider checking important information. So you cannot ask it to provide you a financial advice. Obviously it will provide you financial advice based on your knowledge, but without your own thinking you cannot say that I'm just directly going to implement that. If you will do so, it will up to your own responsibility. So friends, I hope you will enjoy this video. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. I will try to answer your question, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.